Hi, I'm Pete Kutzer with the Orvis Fly Fishing Schools. Today, I want to talk to you about shooting the line and a couple tips or tricks that'll help make that a little bit easier. When we're shooting the line, what we're doing is we're actually releasing this line. We're letting go of some line during that cast, and we got to let it go at just the right moment. Timing's everything with shooting the line. To get that cast, first we have to make sure that we're getting a good stop on our back cast and a good stop on our forward cast. Now we need to be able to deliver that line out a little bit further. And to do that, to shoot that line, we got to let it go at just the right moment. And timing's everything. And there's two ways you can really tell when you have good timing or when it's the right time to shoot that line. The first is you can see it. When we're casting, we're trying to make a loop in our fly line that's rolling out towards the fish. As soon as we see that loop, that's our visual cue that we can let go of that line. There's the loop, now I can let go, out goes the line. The second way to do this is to feel it. And to feel that cast or feel that time when to shoot that line, what we want to feel is that rod come to that good stop on that forward cast. Once it comes to that nice stop, we're going to let go of that line. Make our back cast, make our forward cast. When we come to that good stop, that's when we're going to let that line slide, right there. Strip some line back in, pick it up, stop the rod, let that line slide. Now, when we let go of that line, we don't want to let go of it completely. What we want to do is feather that line through our hands. If we let it go completely, the line might wrap around the rod, wrap around the reel, just kind of wraps itself up in a little bit of a tangle, like that. So make sure when you're shooting that line that your timing's good, you let go of it at just the right moment.
Hi, I'm Mark Melnick from the new Fly Fisher television show. If you enjoyed that video, do me a favor, hit the like button and subscribe today. Also, we're uploading new videos all the time, so hit the bell to be notified when the next one goes up.